So in one of my previous videos, I have already done some stabilization tests on Sony ZV-E10 and Catalyst browse. The link is up there, by the way. But I didn't really cover much on how it performs when you are working with the camera. So that's why in this video I want to show you some different working scenarios. And let's see how much we can stabilize the footage when you are using Steady Shot and Catalyst browse. First, I will show you how it looks like to move in a faster pace. And then I will do a ninja walk, and then I will walk up and down the stairs. For each scenario, I will use no stabilization at all, and then standard steady shot, which means I'm using the lens stabilization. And then I will use active steady shot, which will have a bigger crop to your footage. And finally, I will show you how it looks like after you stabilize it using Catalyst browse. walk a little faster on a flat surface, standard steady shot and active steady shot work similarly. Active steady shot probably works slightly better than standard steady shot, but they are still not good enough. And if you take a look at the footage stabilized in Catalyst Browse, you can see a huge improvement. All the jitterings are gone, but you can still see the footsteps. So I won't say it's good, but at least it is not bad. And now if you look at the Ninja walk footages, Catalyst Browse works pretty well. You almost can't notice the footsteps, and it's very smooth. The footage that I show you here is only 10% cropped. So if you compare the Catalyst Browse footage to the Steady Shot Active footage, you can see that Catalyst Browse works so much better and it doesn't crop in that much. Things are pretty much similar when you walk upstairs, but when you walk downstairs, even though Catalyst Browse is better than others, I still don't think the footage is usable because every time you step on a stair, you can see some little shaking, and it's very uncomfortable to look at. Now I'm going to show you some other test results. If you are wondering how it performs when you combine active steady shot with Catalyst Browse, here's the answer. Sometimes it works better and sometimes it becomes worse. Here I have this footage. It's The same footage as the one you have just seen. It's when I walk a little bit faster on a flat surface. You can see if I combine active steady shot and catalyst browse and crop in 10%. It looks even worse than when I used only active steady shot. But here's the interesting thing. If I crop in 20%, it works better. It's better than active steady shot, and it's better than when I only use catalyst browse. The only downside is that the footage got cropped once when you use active steady shot and twice when you use catalyst browse. If you still remember my previous stabilization test video, I said that when you are standing still or when you are just panning your camera, then both steady shot and catalyst browse work pretty well. And the stabilization function in DaVinci Resolve also works similarly. However, if you really have to walk around with your ZV-E10 without a gimbal, then I have to say catalyst browse is the best stabilization method, especially when you do the ridiculous ninja walk. Alright, I hope you find this video helpful. By the way, if you are curious about what kind of video format is supported by Catalyst Browse, then check out the video on the top. If you like my videos, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.